Hi everyone, Jason from Hedge Plus with our weekly look at the livestock markets. Hope you had a great Christmas. This will be another week of light volume with New Year's coming on Thursday. So look at the live cattle market. Very sideways right now, kind of hanging around 230 in the front month contract or February contract. The only thing I didn't like is we had a pretty bullish cattle on feed report prior to Christmas there. And when you have the placements down as much as they are, we know that's the big bullish factor right now. We're not getting cattle coming in from Mexico, especially. I would have liked to see more of a run there, but that might just be due to slow volume. Not a lot of, no one's going to stick their neck out too far right at the end of the year here. But I think consolidation is just kind of a pause for now. Any pullbacks, I would be a buyer. I think we can push a little bit further. Same thing with feeders. We're just too tight on supplies. That's not going to change. The only thing too that, kind of spooks the market once in a while here is anytime the government comes out and says beef prices are too high, we're doing what we need to get them lower. That's going to be a little bit of a problem, but I think at the end of the day, we just don't rebuild this cattle herd very quickly. And obviously low placement numbers kind of indicate we got some time here before this market will feel any downside pressure. So I think we can go a little higher. I'd hold off on sales for now. Buy dips if you're looking to get long in that market. The hog market, fresh highs a couple days before Christmas last week. We did see a negative hog and pig report. That didn't affect us a whole lot, I don't think. Market, pulls back a couple dollars off its 86 high for the February contract, but that's going to be something that it looks like will be a buying opportunity anytime we dribble back down a little bit. I sold a little bit when we got February hogs above 85. I'll just kind of keep, moving up those sale targets. When you see June, July hogs over $100, don't be afraid to get a little downside coverage in place. That just might not be something we get a whole lot higher than that. That's a good price, something you want to protect in the long run. So hogs, I think, maintain a bit of an uptrend, but I'll use rallies to be a little defensive to make sure we're locking in good sales. Have a good rest of the week. Happy New Year. We'll be back next week. Thanks.